everyone, this is Hippo. Today you will learn 1B1, writing chemical equations. Okay, there's an important theory, the spectator ion. An ion that is there both before and after reaction but is not involved in the reaction. It is not like the catalyst, which also mass unchanged and remain chemical properties during the reaction. Okay, I will talk about this ion before. Later. So, one important factor that you should learn during the writing chemical equations is to testify the oxidation state. What is the oxidation state? It's a charge that substances have. Like this. Nitrogen and hydrogen 4. It has a positive charge. So its oxidation state is positive. But there's a simply rule, like you see. In the periodic table, the group 1, hydrogen, lithium, and sodium always have positive 1 charge. And the second group, magnesium, calcium, always have positive 2 oxidation state, also the charge. And for the group 18, these are noble gas. They are not involved in the reaction in Alevel, so it have no oxidation state hardly. So for the group 9, it always have negative 1 charge. You can think that there are always 8 electrons in the outer shell, and 8 minus 1 equals to negative 1. And also, the oxygen, sulfurous, always have negative 2 charge. And for nitrogen, negative 3, carbon, negative 4. But there's no 4 bond. They have double bond or triple bond, but there's no tetra bond in carbon. It not exist. Okay, now the other thing you need to learn is the state symbol. It's a solid, liquid, and gas. Aqueous is in liquid, but there are some solvent dissolving water. You should notice that even the water in a solvent, such as the water in sodium chlorine aqueous, the water also have a state, the liquid. And also, you have to learn how to balance the equation. For example, the methane burn. We know that if it's a completely combustion, it will form carbon dioxide and water. But this equation is not balanced because here's 4 hydrogen and there's only 2 hydrogen. How to balance it? Simply 2. Okay, therefore hydrogen. 1 carbon, 2 hydrogen. Here's 4 hydrogen. So simply add 2. So there is a balanced equation, but you may lose 1 point during the exam because you forgot to add the state symbol. Okay, the top 4 of the alkane is a gas state. From methane to butane, they also have a state gas. And also gas. Here's an important factor. The water here is a gas, not liquid, which because during the combustion, it will form vapor, but not the liquid state water. Okay, now it's a spectator ion turn. That you should learn how to write half equations. Half equations is also called the ion equations, because there's some atoms, molecule, or substance unchanged during the both sides of the equation, like this one. Magnesium oxide, here has the oxidation state positive 2, and the hydrogen oxygen have negative 1, negative 2. So it's a balanced. With this equation form is a solid state. So if there's no other reactant can react with this, it will exist in both sides of the equation. Like the example here. Here is a sodium ion and the hydroxide negative ion. So the sodium ion here are also not changed. Also, it's not changed. But the hydrogen and this hydroxide form a liquid state water, so it will change. Simply, now the nitrogen, the sodium are called the spectator ion because they both exist before and after the reaction. But for the hydroxide and one hydrogen ion, it will form liquid state water, like the book here. So in the exam, we have to see the solubility of the molecule or atom, whether they will dissolve in water. Like this one, it is solid state in water because it don't dissolve.